Morning everyone, this is Leo Gerard from Wee Bitty Builders, just with an updated video on our 28x10 Acadian. The homeowners on this project chose the black windows inside and out, and the nice round window as well. They also went with a garden door, full glass, lots of natural light. On the inside here, the feature wall, the television, shelving down below. Got the stained wood beam up top, and have a ceiling fan up there. Cabinets are in place, our stairs, our barn door. Our cabinet doors are just being finished right now. Nice pantry unit, lots of drawers, lots of shelving, lots of storage. This unit is going to be an off-grid model, so it has the propane fridge. It's going to have a propane cooktop in this corner, just below the range hood there. It's going to also have a an incinerating toilet. That's a gas propane incinerating toilet. Washer dryer combo is going to be here. Showers with the solid glass doors, some storage. In the loft area will be a king size bed. That's it for now. We'll have an updated video on this in the coming days with the finished product. Have a great day.